Okay, so we'll answer A through C on this video. Looking at the sequence -5, -9, -5, -1, 3, and 7. Do we think it's arithmetic, geometric, or neither? Well, in order for it to be arithmetic, it would have to be a sequence that the generator is being added or subtracted. In order to be geometric, it would have to have a generator that's either being multiplied or divided, and then neither one of those things is happening. So if we look, remember I like to start by looking at whether or not we're adding the same thing each time. So if I look at what happens from -9 to -5, I'm adding 4. I'm also adding 4 to get from -5 to -1, also adding 4. So it looks like our sequence generator is adding 4, which would make this an arithmetic sequence. What's the first term of the sequence? Well, that's -9. And then when the sequence generator adds a number to each term, the value that is added is known as the common difference. It's the difference between each term and the term before it. So what's the sequence generator? Well, that's how much we're adding each time. So +4.